In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Select Google Password Manager and click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock. Use Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!